What's up, buttercups? We're guys having an amazingly golden day with chairs on top. Today we are picking up a new car, which is crazy, but and it is a free car, and in general it is you're gonna see it right now. So yeah, no need to delay this. We're gonna explain more about this car later on, but
well, these in the hands of a person that's young and with no money will get destroyed awfully fast.
true, yeah. No, I don't plan to destroy this one. You might as well.
I made him promise that if I put this together for him, that he got it up and running.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
Holes in the floor.
I know, right? No. That was the Mark II run?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's for sale.
Nah, I already have more. I don't mean to. Nah, my wife would kill me if I bought any more cars. That's perfect.
I think that's the first vehicle I've ever towed that actually happened.
Because they know it's gonna break. Yeah. They knew I was gonna spend half its life on a trailer, so they were like, just put it the tow hook. Yeah.
Tow hooks on the shock. That's how they get towed.
That's so funny.
It
is a Jag.
Only other vehicle I've seen like that is actually the Defender and the Hummer H1.
Oh, really?
Because they're meant to be strapped down in airplanes.
They just knew.
Back in the day, the owners owned two. Because one would be in the shop all the time. They drop one off, pick the other one up.
I know, right?
And it's bought off an estate, right? So here's all the paperwork.
Awesome.
Right?
Thank you so much.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Yeah.
No, hey, like I say, it just.
Don't say that, because it'll start a Jaguar farm out there.
No, you get the car, he gets the plates, and I get the motor back.
Awesome.
And everyone's
Perfect.
happy. There we go.
I'm going to help him with it, so we'll probably have it out in the next month.
Yeah. That's whenever. The British put tow hooks on because they know they'd be well used.
I just got a free car. What? What's up, guys? This is a very weird angle. The camera is like pointing out, facing out at me, but I just wanted to make this part of the video because I realized I did not explain how exactly I got the Jag, and I said I was going to explain it. So yes, I got a free V12 1976 Jaguar XJS, which is insane. I still cannot believe that I got the car. So now for the story of how I got it. My friend and also one of my bosses at Trick Factory Customs where I work, he told me, or he just asked me one day and was like, someone offered me a free Jag, but he didn't want it, and so he passed down the offer to me and asked me, was like, do you want a free Jag? I was like, yes, of course. So, and that's pretty much how it happened. And this car is amazing because it came with, I'm gonna go get this, hold on. It came with documentation. And when I mean documentation, like a lot, like, look at this. Like, I'm talking about over 20 years of immaculate maintenance. It blows my mind. I've never seen this before. It goes into everything, it goes back to like the 80s, I think. That's where the paperwork goes back to. And it blows my mind. Oh my gosh. So needless to say, I am just mind blown by this. And it was from an estate sale. And so he wanted the engine, the V12 engine. And so that's why he got it initially. So if you didn't want an extended sale, so I think the previous owner passed away, and so he left the car, so he wants the engine but didn't want the car, and so I I offered to take it off his hands, and yeah, so very, very huge thank you to Tim for helping me to load the car to a trailer, all that good stuff. Yeah, so like I said, he still wants the engine, so I still have to take out the engine from the car, from the Jag. Then after I'm done taking out the engine, the next step is to put a new engine inside. And I am so excited with what I am putting inside. So you guys should stay tuned for that. And if you can guess what is going into the Jag, comment in the description below, because it's not going to be the same V12. It's gonna be, I think, better than a V12. So with that said, I'm so excited to start this project. We'll start this as soon as possible. The car right now is at work. I'm at home. We left it there just so, because it's much easier to take out the engine and all of that stuff, since it's literally a shop. And so we'll take out the engine, we'll take out the transmission, give it to the guy, and then we'll bring it back home here, and then we'll continue working on it. I'm so excited. This is going to be a glorious project. The car is so clean, like exterior, interior, the leather smells glorious. It looks awesome. There's no rust anywhere. I've checked underneath the frame, everything, it looks nice. It actually is a nice example of an XJS, an early XJS, which I might add, because the early ones had the 4 round headlights, while the later ones had the square, the octagon shaped headlights, which I prefer the early ones. It is glorious. So I've talked too much, guys. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to getting started. I don't know, am I a Jag collector now? Because now I have 3 Jags. I have my 76 XJS, I have my 73 XJ6, and I have my 60 Jaguar Mark II. So let me know what you guys think. And if you're excited, to see more content on this car, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Golden Drive, and I will catch you guys on the next Golden Drive. Bye.